Hey, I'm Josh Ferentz. Today, we're looking at the NeoTek line of corded nut runners, which includes pistol, right angle, and inline options. We designed these precision tools for safety-critical applications where accuracy and repeatability are essential. NeoTek is the solution for safety-critical applications on the production line. The right angle tool features a durable angle head with spiral cut gearing. This design, combined with a precision assembly process, results in a tool that will run for 1 million cycles, maintenance-free. To be repeatable, a tool must also be reliable. And NeoTek tools are tough, battle-tested in real-life applications. They set the standard for quality performance. We have multiple notification systems to keep operators informed in any conditions. This light ring features 4 fully programmable LED lights, visible in any orientation. The default settings are green for OK, red for not OK, blue for tool running, and yellow for additional status. The non-contacting start switch, tested to 4 million cycles, also delivers vibration alerts of a programmable length and number. Audio alerts are also standard on all NeoTek tools. These notification features can track any aspect of the rundown, like torque or angle, to detect a missing part, or to evaluate the quality of parts. This complete feedback and process security system ensures a quality result on the line. NeoTek tools are also simple to use. They have a balanced, ergonomic design, and our lightweight, durable cable connects to the tool with an industry-first quarter-turn system. This makes it easier to connect tools and eliminates the threat of damaged threads, a main cause of cable failure. Just line up the arrows and turn. With hot swap capabilities, you don't even need to turn off the controller. No external threads, a 30mm bend radius, fewer conductors, and a Cleco twist indicator stripe combine for a longer lasting cable, reducing maintenance or repair costs. As for the controller, the M-Pro 300 is a dedicated one-to-one connected solution for NeoTek tools. It has versatile functionality and integrates into any plant system with ease. The large touchscreen is ideal for simple programming or accessing tightening data. You can also use the M-Pro remote software to access the controller from any networked computer. Mirror screen images, monitor rundowns, perform diagnostics, and more in real time, all from your PC or laptop. You can enhance your NeoTek tool even further with a range of plug-and-play accessories, such as a 4 LED work light with adjustable intensity, a camera scanner, or a gyroscope for accurate angle measures. NeoTek is the complete system solution for all your assembly line needs. Streamline your production process with an accurate, repeatable tool that provides 1 million cycles maintenance-free. Check out our website or contact your local sales representative to schedule a demo today.